Before we finish reading, we're going to review the questions that we need to answer. Number 8, why did China grow wealthy under the Mongol rulers? Number 9, what was Marco Polo's reaction to seeing China's cities? And we're going to skip number 10, the foldable. Check for understanding. List 2 events that led to the growth of the Mongol Empire. Explain 2 ways the Mongols were good for the regions they conquered. Many Mongols were Buddhists, but they respected other religions. For example, Kublai Khan allowed Christians, Muslims, and Hindus to practice their faiths. China reached its greatest wealth and power under Mongol rule. People from other countries were attracted to China. These visitors traveled the Silk Road to get there. A famous European traveler who came to China was Marco Polo. He was from Italy. The capital city of Khanbalik impressed Polo with its wide streets, beautiful palaces, and nice homes. Kublai Khan liked the stories Polo told about his travels. For many years, Kublai Khan sent Polo on trips to gather information. When Polo went back to Europe, he wrote a book about his adventures. His stories of China amazed Europeans. The Mongols ruled a large empire, from the Pacific Ocean to Eastern Europe. China grew wealthy from being able to trade with many parts of the world. The Chinese traded tea, silk, and porcelain for silver, spices, carpets, and cotton from Europe and other parts of Asia. Europeans and Muslims took Chinese discoveries like steel, gunpowder, and the compass back to their homes. The Mongols made China's empire larger. They took over Vietnam and northern Korea. The Koryo rulers of Korea were allowed to stay in power because they accepted Mongol rule. The Mongols forced the Koreans to build warships. The Mongols tried to use these ships 2 times to take over Japan. Both times, huge storms delayed the Mongol fleet.